Beyond his academic achievements lies IDIA, or the Increasing Diversity by Increasing Access program, what many would term as a crowning glory of Shamnad's achievements. IDIA has the potential to transform the feudal structures of the legal profession by democratizing them and making them inclusive. As the audience today is no doubt aware, IDIA was a movement that Shamnad spearheaded over 2 decades ago with the aim of ensuring equitable access to legal education in the country. The legal profession boasted of a centuries-old presence in India, but its higher echelons, and for that matter its lower ones, remained largely inaccessible to common persons. Although the advent of the national law universities changed the notion that the legal profession was for the few and not for the many, legal education continued to remain the domain of the elite. IDIA, through its consistent efforts, has attempted to remedy this systemic flaw and has succeeded in doing so. IDIA prepares young students from marginalized communities for law entrance exams, secures funding for their legal education, and mentors them through their 5 years at university. To influence the course of even a single person's life is a remarkable thing. That Shamnad influenced the course of so many people's lives so positively is nothing short of extraordinary. I had the pleasure of meeting Shamnad at IDIA's annual conference about 4 years ago, where I was invited to deliver an address on law and storytelling. In echoing his human qualities, he tasked me to speak on this deeply human subject of law and storytelling. Through stories of justice and injustice, we attempted to weave a common vision. True to its names, IDIA's programs targeted persons with disabilities as well. Of the 86 students currently reading law in universities across India, 15 of the scholars are persons with disabilities. Shamnad and others working with IDIA's organizational team have already put into action the theme of today's lecture, making disability rights real, addressing accessibility, and more. My congratulations to the IDIA team and to all its scholars. I wish you continued success. By including persons with disabilities within the ambit of its outreach and training programs, Shamnad as well as IDIA recognize that persons with disabilities are just as deserving of and entitled to an education as the next person. It is not just any type of education that they ought to be able to access. They must have an equal shot at the best universities and the most sought after opportunities.